Welcome back to Lady Tradie. Today's project is going to be just a small quick project. I'm going to be making a Hamptons style coffee table. Now to do that, what I have got is a coffee table top from Bunnings. I've also got some old chair legs that match the chairs on my dining table set. And what my dad did was he surprised me and put it together for me by screwing the chair legs onto the tabletop just with screws in the position of where they originally were when used as chair legs anyway. So it's a really lovely light timbered tabletop, as you can see. I'm going to give it a light sand to get any marks off it because my children have already put their grubby little fingers all over it. And then I'm also going to paint those legs white. Okay, so I've purchased a transfer of a Mandela. I just thought I might... Hello, darling. I thought I might add this just to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm going to try to put it sort of off center. I don't want to use the entire transfer. Trying to apply my transfer. It's a little bit harder than I thought. Well, I didn't think it would be easy, but it's being a bit tedious. And the way it was packaged when it was mailed to me, there's some creases and folds in it that are not helping the situation. So I thought I'd try two things. Firstly, I'm just going to try to gently flatten it out like this. Like I've said in previous videos, contacting things is not my specialty. But this seems to be working okay. I'm a little bit worried about some of the creases that are in this. But with some things, you're best just to leave good enough alone. Have applied this, I'm going to seal it with a clear coat of lacquer or varnish. I do need to seal the timber, but I also am hoping that it will more permanently coat this and stick it down and seal this to the table as well. So I will probably do 3 thin coats of varnish at the end. It's really important not to leave timber raw like this, especially tables and coffee tables and things that liquids are going to sit on top of, because it stains and seeps into the timber over time. So applying that varnish is crucial. Obviously you don't have to do this if this is not the kind of thing that you're into, but putting a varnish on top is essential. Applying some varnish now. I'm just using a water-based clear varnish just to seal it. So I'm going to continue applying that. And like I mentioned earlier, I will do about 3 coats on this.